Happy Tuesday, 8th graders. We're going to get started right at it here. Today's to-do list was posted as in the form of a question you'll see here, okay? And we'll get to the actual question in just a little bit. After watching this video, I would like you to continue on Lewis and Clark's expedition, and I'd like you to do stops 3 through 6. So you're going to do station 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the next 4 stops, the next 4 legs only. So that's all you need to do. Some of you may have to unsubmit what you did yesterday so that you can keep working. Just a reminder where you're going to find those. The stations are in Monday's to-do list, and then the map was posted separately. I ended up going with a drawing instead of the Google Doc that I had originally planned. So those are separate posts. So go back and do that. So journal and summaries, put them in your own words in 2 to 3 bullets, and then plot the map, okay, for stations 3 through 6. Then the question. Senator Thune's office contacted me and chose our class for him to stop by and do a Google Meet with, kind of a Q&A session. And what works in his schedule, he had 1 slot this week, and that was on Friday morning at 10:15. Some of you will be at the live Q&A session, and the rest of you will just watch the recorded meet. So I will record our Google Meet, and then I'll send out that video to you that day. So here's the question you need to answer. Would you like to be a part of it live, or would you rather watch the recorded version? Yeah, I would love as many live people as I can, maybe 20 of you, 15 to 20 of you that would like to be a part of it live. You would have to join us at 10:15 on Friday at the Google Meet. The rest of you would watch it recorded after this, okay? So answer that question. Yes, I would like to watch it or be a part of the live, or I want to be in the recorded version of it. All right, stop after station 6 and answer my Google Meet question. And that is all you need to do for today. Contact me with questions, 8th graders. Tuesday is a new day. It's a gift that we've been given. Let's use it well. Let's have lots of fun. All right, have a great day.